Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. I am again here with you with an important topic from your maths syllabus. Students, in our previous class we discussed about the HCF, highest common factor. So in order to proceeding our chapter, our today's topic will be the LCM, least common multiple. It's an important topic and new topic for all of you. So watch the video very carefully. Okay, let us start our today's topic. So students, in our today's class we are going to discuss about LCM. As you can see, LCM is the combination of three letters. L for least, which means lowest, जिसे हम सबसे छोटा भी कह सकते हैं. C for common, common which is similar in all numbers, जो हर नंबर में आए common. Okay, and M for multiple. What is multiple? The number which obtained by multiplying a given number by the counting number, such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. मल्टीपल क्या होते हैं? जब हम किसी गिवन नंबर को किसी काउंटिंग नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं और जो हमें प्रोडक्ट फाइंड होता है वो गिवन नंबर का मल्टीपल कहलाता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एलसीएम ऑफ टू और मोर नंबर्स इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर which is the multiple of each of the number. It means when we find the common multiple of few numbers, the smallest one is called the LCM of the given number. Okay, जब हम कुछ नंबर्स का मल्टीपल्स, कॉमन मल्टीपल्स निकालते हैं तो जो सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल होता है वो हमारा LCM होता है गिवन नंबर का. ओके, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ LCM विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. हियर वी हैव एन एग्जांपल. Find LCM of 3 and 4. So, to finding the LCM of any number, firstly we will write the multiples of each of the number. Okay, so we will write here minimum 10 multiples of each number. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 and so on. And the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. After writing the multiples of each number, दोनों नंबर्स के मल्टीपल्स लिखने के बाद, और हमने यहाँ मिनिमम 10 मल्टीपल्स लिखे हैं. मल्टीपल्स और भी आगे जा सकते हैं बट हमने यहाँ सिर्फ 10 मल्टीपल्स लिखे हैं. ओके, सो आफ्टर राइटिंग द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ ईच नंबर वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉमन मल्टीपल अमंग ऑल दीज मल्टीपल्स. ओके, let us find the common multiple. So our first common multiple is 12. Next common multiple is 24 and so on. Multiples हमें आगे और भी हो सकता है, मिलते हैं. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are here 12 and 24. Multiples हमें और भी आगे मिल सकते हैं, पर हमें मतलब किससे, हमें अपने लीस्ट मल्टीपल, लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल से मतलब है, जो कि हमारा सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल है. सो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स में हमारा सबसे छोटा कॉमन मल्टीपल्स कौन सा है? 12. सो द एलसीएम ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स, एलसीएम ऑफ 3 and 4 is 12. ओके, as we discussed, LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is the multiple of each of the number. Okay, and we can find the LCM of two or more numbers by these two methods: LCM by prime factorization method and LCM by common division method. Okay, हम इन दो methods से क्या कर सकते हैं, दो या दो से अधिक numbers का LCM find कर सकते हैं. So in our today's class we will discuss about the LCM by prime factorization method. Okay, हम आज की क्लास में अपने कौन सा मेथड डिस्कस करेंगे? LCM by prime factorization method. So let us discuss the method. As you all know, we can find the LCM of two or more number by two methods: LCM by prime factorization method and LCM by common division method. So in our today's class we will understand the method of finding LCM by prime factorization. Okay, so to get the prime factorization of any number, we will divide the number, we will divide the given number by the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. और हम कब तक उस नंबर को डिवाइड करते हैं? जब तक कि वो नंबर प्राइम नंबर से डिवाइड होता रहेगा और हमें लास्ट में 1 नहीं मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. ओके, हियर वी हैव एन एग्जांपल. Find the LCM of 40, 36 and 84 by prime factorization method. So to find the LCM by prime factorization method, first of all we have to find the prime factorization of 40, 36 and 84. Okay, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से एलसीएम निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, नंबर्स का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना पड़ेगा. सो पुट द नंबर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव प्लेसेस. So we will put the numbers just here. So we will put 40 here, 36 here, and 84 here. We have earlier discussed that to find the prime factorization of the numbers, we will divide the numbers by the prime numbers. Okay, so let us divide the numbers. So we will start from 2, and 40 is an even number, so it will be divided by 2. So we will take 2. Now divide 40 by 2. So if 40 is divided by 2, what the quotient we get? 2 2s are 4, and we will put a 0 here. So we get 20 as a quotient. Now divide 20 by 2 because it is also an even number. So it will also divided by 2. So 2 10s are 20. Again divide 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10. Now divide 5 by 5 because it is not divisible by 2 and 3. So we will take the next prime number, which is 5. 5 ones are 5. Now come to the next number, which is 36. So 36 is also an even number. So even numbers को हम किससे 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. जितने भी हमारे इवन नंबर्स आते जाएंगे उन सब को हम किससे 2 से ही डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. So we will put here 2 and divide 36 by 2. So if 36 is divided by 2, what the quotient we get? 2 ones are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Okay, so here we have 18, so we will write 18 just below the 36. Now divide 18. 18 is also an even number. 18 भी क्या है, हमारा even number है. So हम again इसको 2 से ही divide कर देंगे. जब तक कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होता रहेगा हम उसको 2 से डिवाइड करते रहेंगे. जब कोई नंबर 3 से डिविजिबल होगा तो हम उसको 3 से तब तक डिवाइड करते रहेंगे जब तक वो डिवाइड होता रहेगा. ओके, नाउ 2 9s are 18. Then 9 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. So we will take next number, which is 3. 9 is divisible by 3, so we will put 3 here. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now again 3 is divisible by 3, so 3 ones are 3. Now come to the next number, which is 84. 84 is also an even number which is divisible by 2, so we will write 2 just here. Now divide 84 by 2. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. So what the question we get? 42. We will write 42 just below the 84. Now 42 is also an even number, so we will again divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. What the quotient we get? 21. 21 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So we will take next number 3. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 7s are 21. So we will write 3 just here and the quotient 7 just below the 21. Now 7 is a prime number, so it is only divisible by 7. Okay, so 7 ones are 7. So what is the prime factorization of 84? 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to write the prime factorization of given numbers. Okay, so the prime factorization of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Or the prime factorization of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now prime factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, here we have the prime factorization of the given number. In our last step, we have to find the LCM of 40, 36 and 84 by the given prime factorization. Okay, so observe the prime factorizations very carefully. So prime factor 2 occurs maximum 3 times in 40. 40 में प्राइम फैक्टर 2 कितनी बार आया है? 1 2 3 3 टाइम्स आया. 36 में भी है, 84 में भी है, बट हमें क्या करना है? हम जो यहाँ पर एलसीएम निकालने के लिए प्राइम फैक्टर लेंगे वो मैक्सिमम ऑकरिंग जो होगा प्राइम फैक्टर का वो लेंगे. सो 2 मैक्सिमम ऑकरिंग ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर 2 इज 3 टाइम. सो वी विल राइट 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now prime factor 3 occurs maximum 2 times in 36. अब आया 84 में भी है 3 पर 1 टाइम है और हमारा सबसे ज्यादा बार कितनी बार आया है 2 टाइम्स 3 आया है. तो हमें मैक्सिमम ऑकरिंग लेनी है किसी भी प्राइम फैक्टर की. सो वी विल राइट 3 into 3 just here. Now prime factor 5 and 7 occurs only 1 time in 40 and 84. So we will write also 5 and 7, क्योंकि 5 और 7 ये हमारे बचे हुए प्राइम फैक्टर थे और जो कि 1 टाइम आए हैं only. So we will write 5 and 7 just here. Okay students, after taking the maximum occurring of the prime factors, we have to multiply all these factors to find the LCM of 40, 36 and 84. Now multiply the prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 5s are 360 and 367 are 2520. Now our LCM of 40, 36 and 84 is 2520. Okay. Let us solve one more question from the exercise to understand the concept more effectively. Here we have a question: find the LCM of 24 and 36 by the prime factorization method. So to find the LCM by prime factorization method, first of all we have to find the prime factorization of the given number 24 and 36. So we will put 24 just here and 36 here. Now divide the given number by the prime numbers. Okay, so firstly we will divide 24. So we will take 2 because 24 is an even number. So we will divide 24 by 2. So if we divide 24 by 2, what the quotient we get is 12 because 12 2s are 24. Now again divide 12 by 2 because 12 is also an even number. So 12 is divided by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Now again divide 6 by 2 because 6 is also an even number. So 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. We will divide 3 by 3 because 3 is a prime number, so it is only divisible by itself. So 3 1s are 3. Now we will stop our prime factorization just here. Come to the next number, which is 36. So 36 is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So we will divide 36 by 2. So if we divide 36 by 2, what the quotient we get is 18. अगर हम 36 को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्वेश्चन क्या मिलेगा 18 मिलेगा. Now again 18 is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So we will again take 2 here. क्योंकि जब तक कोई नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा हम उसको 2 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. अगर 2 से नहीं डिवाइड हो रहा है तो हम नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर पे जाएंगे. अगर नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर से भी नहीं हो रहा है तब हम नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर पे जाएंगे. ऐसे स्टेप बाय स्टेप हम प्राइम नंबर्स को ले करते रहते हैं. ओके, सो 18 is an even number and it is divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is an odd number, so we will take 3. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. Okay, so again we will take 3 because 3 is a prime number, so 3 1s are 3. Prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And the prime factorization of 36 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now observe the prime factorizations carefully. The prime factor 2 maximum occur 3 times in 24 and the prime factor 3 maximum occurs 2 times in 36. देखिए जो प्राइम फैक्टर 2 है वो सबसे ज़्यादा कितनी बार आया है 3 टाइम्स. ओके, 24 में. और जो प्राइम फैक्टर 3 है वो सबसे ज़्यादा कितनी बार आया है 2 टाइम्स आया है 36 में. सो हमें मैक्सिमम ऑकरिंग ही टेक करनी है, लेनी है. LCM find करने के लिए. So we will write 2 3 times. Okay, because we have to take the maximum occurring of the prime factor. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now multiply the given factors for finding the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are 72. So our LCM is 72. Okay, students, I hope you all understand the today's concept very carefully, and it's a new topic for all of you. So watch the video very carefully and solve more and more questions and examples from the exercise. Okay, thank you.